Hello, my friends. Hope you are doing great. And I want to introduce you today in my video the paper napkin holder. It's such thing. It's with the houses. Isn't it so very pretty? And you need to put the napkins in here and how to do it. You see these napkins are folded in twice. We have such a traditional napkin. This napkin is folded in four parts as always, and we fold it in twice. And how do we arrange it so it will be easy to take them out of our tissue holder? We do it like this. We do it like this. We put it on the half of each other. Then we close it. Then we close it. Then we put it in the half, or in this half, and close it. Then we put in this half and close it. And we can keep doing the same thing. For example, I have here approximately 6 or 7 napkins for this. And how do I put them inside of our napkin holder? We put them like this so that this side will be above of everything, looking onto the top. We do it like this, and now we can test it. Let's see if it's gonna work. You see, we take one piece of napkin and another is looking. We take one piece of napkin and another. We take one piece and another is looking. I hope you find it interesting. I hope you decide to make such design. And I hope you like my little houses on it. And it's made completely in the hoop without additional hand sewing. And I wish you a happy day. I wish you happy stitching. And I hope you decide to stitch such napkin holder. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.